With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So guys, here in this question it is given that a bullet of mass 0.05 kg is moving with a velocity of 400 meters per second gets embedded after collision with a block of mass 3.95 kg placed on a smooth horizontal platform as shown in this figure. So if height of the platform from the ground is 20 meters and block strikes the ground at point B, then the value of the AB is okay. So this is the question he has given. So also given the value of the gravity g is equals to 10 meters per second square. So according to that, if you look into this particular figure, we have a block of mass 0.05 kgs. Okay, sorry, a bullet of mass 0.05 kgs. So which is moving with velocity of 400 meters per second. Okay, so we have a block as well. So with the weight of 3.95 kgs. Okay, so this is placed on a smooth horizontal surface actually, so which is in the 20 meters above from the ground level. Okay, so according to the given question, let me write the given data first. So mass of the bullet given as let me consider the mass of bullet as m1, so that will be equals to 0.05 kgs. Okay, and mass of the block can be m2, so that will be equals to 3.95 kgs. Okay, so velocity of the bullet v will be equals to 400 meters per second, so that will be v1. Okay, and platform at the height of 20 meters above the ground. Okay, that means the block is placed at 20 meters above the ground. Now according to the conservation of momentum, we will write m1 into v1 will be equals to m1 plus m2 into v2. Okay, so just a second guys, let me write this clearly. m1 plus m2 into v2. Okay, so where v2 value is nothing but the velocity of the block after the collision, so we don't have that formula value right now, so we will write 0.05 into 400 is equals to 0.05 plus m2 value we have as 3.95, so which is multiplied with v2. So v2 value is not given in the question, so we are directly taking that as it is. So 20 divided by 4 will be equals to v2, so the value of the v2 will be equals to 5 meters per second. Okay, so now range of the projectile is equals to ab, so therefore ab is nothing but ab can be written as velocity v2 into time. Okay, so we will write AB value will be equals to V2 value will be 5 into time value we have as under root 2h divided by g. We know the value of the g which is given in the question, also we know the value of the h also. So AB value will be equals to 5 into 2, so that will be equals to 10 meters. So this is the range of the projectile. Okay, so hence AB value will be equals to 10 meters. So out of these four options, if you see option D, we have 10 meters. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.